Imagine getting unlimited, watermark-free AI videos from Google Veo 3, Kling, Runway, and more, all in one dashboard, totally free. Today I'm revealing my full workflow for Pollo AI, the ultimate faceless video generator for YouTube creators. Let's see how you can turn any idea into a viral video, and even monetize it. This is the complete Pollo AI masterclass you've been waiting for. Go to Pollo.ai and click Start for Free. Sign up with Google for the fastest access. Inside the dashboard, free plan gives you 100 credits monthly. That's about 20 videos. Main tools include text to video, image to video, canvas, and effects. Click AI video, then text to video. Choose your model. Pollo 1.5 for speed, Google Veo 3 for realism, Kling AI for dynamic motion, or Runway Gen 3 for cinematic quality. Let me demo with this prompt. A mysterious figure walking through a foggy forest at night, cinematic lighting, 4K. Here's the output from each model. Notice the differences in style, realism, and motion quality. Upload any photo or stock image, select image to video mode, then choose your animation style: cinematic action, slow pan, and more. Perfect for B-roll, intros, or storytelling. Watch this still photo come to life with realistic motion. Canvas mode is your all-in-one workspace. Combine multiple AI models, drag and drop clips, mix effects and adjust timelines. Add professional effects like rain, fire, neon, VHS filters, and transitions. Use templates for trending shorts formats. Here's how to monetize. YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling templates and presets. Batch produce shorts, schedule uploads, analyze performance. This workflow can generate consistent YouTube income. I've included a free checklist in the description to get you started. You've just learned the complete Pollo AI system. Comment which AI model you want me to compare next. Hit subscribe for more faceless AI tutorials. Grab all the free resources in the description and start creating viral videos today. See you in the next one.